Well, after hundreds of COVID cases and 75 deaths, lawyers representing a Beaver County long-term care facility say the center is immune to lawsuits. Attorneys with Brighton Rehab and Wellness filed a motion in federal court. Amy Wadas breaks it down for us and has reaction.
15 residents and their families, 10 who died, are all part of a lawsuit filed in October. The lawsuit claims Brighton was reckless and did not follow precautions to stop the spread of coronavirus in its facility. But lawyers representing Brighton say they are protected because of the Public Readiness and Emergency Preparedness Act, also known as PREP. PREP says immunity does not apply if there is misconduct that causes serious injury or death.
What it is saying is that because there was a disaster declaration that surrounds the pandemic, this federal act called the PREP Act provides certain immunities to individuals or healthcare providers that take countermeasures to help out with the pandemic.
Attorney Robert Daly says countermeasures like
if they give drugs or if they use devices or if they have certain security in place that helps to prevent or limit the damage of the pandemic, then they get some immunities.
But despite what the motion says, Daly claims Brighton didn't do that.
We believe our case, as we've set forth previously in some other filings, definitely includes claims of negligence with regard to Brighton that occurred before the pandemic even began, before there was a disaster declaration.
He says negligence like lack of staffing and infection control issues.
Our belief is that Brighton was not in a position to effectively deal with the pandemic. So we don't think that there is any immunity. We don't think that the case will be dismissed.
The judge presiding over this case ordered the plaintiffs to respond to this motion by January 25th. The attorneys representing the family in this case say they haven't decided how they're going to respond just yet. Reporting downtown, Amy Wadas, KDKA News.